Is your cast iron properly seasoned and cleaned? Today, I'm breaking down the best way to clean, season, and store your cast iron pan so it lasts a lifetime. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, I'm covering everything you need to know about cast iron care, from cleaning and seasoning to proper storage, so your pan stays rust-free and perfectly non-stick. Let's get started. All right, why is cast iron a must-have? First, incredible heat retention. It holds heat longer than aluminum or stainless steel. Second, versatile cooking. It works on stovetops, ovens, and even campfires. And finally, it gets better with time. The more you use it, the better the seasoning becomes. So, how do you clean a cast iron pan? For light cleaning, use warm water and a soft sponge. No soap needed. For stubborn residue, scrub with kosher salt and a paper towel to lift stuck-on bits. For rust removal, use a chainmail scrubber or steel wool to bring the pan back to life. Rinse and dry immediately. Don't let water sit on the surface to prevent rust. Now, the right way to season cast iron. Apply a thin layer of oil. Use canola, flaxseed, or Crisco for the best results. Heat in the oven at 350 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. This allows the oil to bond with the pan, creating a non-stick coating. Repeat the process for a deeper seasoning layer. Multiple layers mean better protection and a superior cooking surface. How about proper storage? Keep it in a dry place. Moisture is the enemy of cast iron. Apply a light oil coat after each use. This prevents rust and maintains the seasoning. If you're stacking multiple cast iron pans, place a paper towel between them to absorb moisture. Now you know how to clean, season, and store your cast iron pan like a pro. Do you already use cast iron in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking tips. Want to master more kitchen skills? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert techniques and cooking hacks.